car smoke, gun smoke here with a new mod on the SRT conversion. Going down the lower lamps, whatever you want to call them. Give it a little lower. Dance. It's gonna be hard though. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when you get done with it. Show y'all how it sit, but y'all see 1 second. So for the record, it made a little difference. You know what I'm saying? We gonna probably go down another 1/2 inch on that bitch. But we probably think 1 inch on that. So we probably go down this side. I don't know. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, that shit looks great. That shit looks great. Without them badges, that bitch look good as hell. Like there with them lights. They should them lights on that bitch. Should them lights on that bitch. That bitch look beautiful. The down 16 lights. Go ahead and subscribe, man, so y'all can get out there and see more and see how this shit go through, man, for real.